In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Notion in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're new to Notion or just need a refresher, stick around, and we'll have you up and running in no time. First things first, go ahead and open your favorite web browser. Once that's open, navigate to the Notion website by typing notion.com/desktop or simply Notion. So into the address bar. This will take you to Notion's homepage, where the magic begins. Now that you've landed on the Notion website, the next step is to find and click the Download for Windows or Download for Mac button. You'll notice these buttons prominently displayed on the homepage. They're easy to find, but if there's any confusion, keep an eye out for the operating system that matches your device. This ensures you get the right version of Notion. After you've clicked the appropriate download button, the Notion setup file will start downloading to your computer. The download time will vary depending on your internet speed, but it should only take a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, it's time to install the application. Go to your Downloads folder, locate the installer file you just downloaded and double-click it. This will launch the setup wizard. With the installer open, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Notion. The process is straightforward, with prompts to guide you. Typically, this involves agreeing to the terms and conditions, selecting a destination folder, and waiting while Notion installs on your system. It's a good idea to keep all standard settings if you're unsure about any options. Once installed, look for the Notion icon, either in your Applications folder on Mac or your Start menu on Windows. Click on the Notion icon to launch the application. This will open the Notion login screen, where you'll need to sign in to start using the app. Enter your email address associated with your Notion account, or if you're new, you can create an account with your email seamlessly. And there you have it. Notion is now ready for you to explore. You can start creating notes, organizing your tasks, and collaborating with others in just a few clicks. Remember, mastering productivity tools like Notion can really enhance your workflow. So feel free to explore its features and see how it best works for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides and tips. I'm confident you'll find Notion to be a powerful tool in your daily routine, and I hope this video has made the process a little easier for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Notion journey.